Hi there. It's Purranoid. Yeah. Remember me? Yeah? You remember? Okay. Just want to get that cleared up. Hi again and welcome back to my channel. I really thank you for being here. And if you could do me a solid, watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm hearing all this buzz that really helps. So even if you don't like it or you do like it, whatever, just watch all the way to the end. You know, just let it play and go wash some dishes or maybe take up the garbage. You know, do some mundane stuff. Let it play in the background. All right. Thank you very much. That's a brief welcome, and let's get on with the video. Now, first off, I did do a test on the back of another agenda. I had used a Uni-ball signo broad tip pen, and the test looked great. So I thought I would continue with the pen and do the whole design on the agenda, my new one for 2024, with this white pen. Now, it did. It started off great. It looked really nice with the white on the black. I thought it had a great effect. Unfortunately, I found that once I started coloring in with the same pen, that once it dried a little bit, it started to have a cracking. So I thought I would go over it later, but it didn't seem to work out that well. As we will soon see, it was a disaster. What was that, Shadow? Oh, Shadow would like to remind you to please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you! Oh, thank you everybody. You made Shadow so happy. So first I thought I'll try just wipe it off, get all the cracking off, but I noticed that wasn't the case here. So not only was it flaking off, when I accidentally put a damp cloth on it, the whole design started to wipe off. So I didn't want to try and put a varnish on it because it was cracking, and so I decided to try and wipe it or wash it all off. The thing was, when I did that, I noticed it did leave some residue, like it had a kind of a staining effect on the agenda, but I thought, that might work in my favor. So, say goodbye to the Uni-ball signo pen. It is not good for this project. So I decided to try my Ohuhu metallic markers. I had done a test on them, I didn't show you that, but they seemed to perform well. So I was going to just use the residue that had stained the cover and just trace back over it with another marker. I did color it all in. Yes, I did try it again. And surprisingly, the marker did not crack after it dried. So I thought that'll be great. I'll just use it the way it is and color in the rest of the design. Now I really like the blue, but I thought it needed a little bit more, so I decided to add in a little bit of gold like I did in the circle and just give it a little more of a design element, a little oomph, and I thought it looked great. It turned out wonderful. It made the design stand out a little bit more in my eyes. Now I did spray it with varnish this time. I used the gouache varnish that I had on hand. I don't know if something else would work better, but we're going to see if this is going to work. And there we have it, my finished agenda/planner. We'll see if the varnish helps make the design last a bit longer. Who knows? But it was an experiment, and if it wipes off, it'll just give me another chance to try something else. Thank you again for joining me and watching my video. Please leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!